of University.
Good day everyone, welcome to the Lesson 3 Module 5 of Technology for Teaching and Learning. I'm Lorraine Bindas, your teacher for today's skill. And now, we will discuss about digital literacies. Let's begin.
Digital literacies are the individual's capabilities to be able to effectively and responsibly perform or function the digital in the society. One is ICT literacy. Is knowing how to select and use digital devices, applications, or services to accomplish tasks requiring use of the internet. Communication and collaboration are one's capabilities enabled to participate in the digital network in teaching and learning context. This is number 3. Computer literacies, which become household in terms of manipulated to achieve one's target. Number 4 is information literacy, which refers to the finding, evaluating, using, and sharing information. Next is number 5. Identity management is being able to understand how ensure safety and security in managing online identity and fostering a positive digital presentation. Number 6 is learning skills are the ways of knowing how to study and learn in technology-enriched environment. This is knowing how to utilize technology and addressing the needs to learn efficiently. 7 is digital scholarship. This is being able to link and participate in professional and digital practices. Here are the types of digital literacies. Technological literacy is requiring one to be able to use technology in addressing a need. Media literacy is one's ability to critically read information or content and utilizing multimedia creatively, producing communication.
Hello class, I am teacher Irene and today let's talk about the 4 C's of 21st century skills. The 4 C's of 21st century skills is the critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication.
So, let's begin with critical thinking. Is critical thinking mean solving problems? Exactly, because critical thinking is analyzing and solving problems logically. So for example, imagine you're playing a strategy game. You need to decide which move is best to win. That's critical thinking. So next is creativity. It is like painting or drawing. That's part of it, but creativity is more than art. It's about coming up with new ideas or approaches. So for example, if you're designing a robot for a science project, you use creativity to make it unique and functional. The next is collaboration. Collaboration must mean working with others, right? Yes, because collaboration is teamwork. Like in a group project, everyone brings their strength to achieve a shared goal. And think about making a class presentation. Some people research, others create slides, and someone present. And the next is communication. It is about talking to people. Yes, and listening too. Communication is sharing ideas effectively. Whether it's writing an essay, explaining a concept, or negotiating with friends during a debate. For example, a good communicator can explain their science fair project to judges clearly and confidently. So, you can think of a real-world situation where we all use the 4 C's. Example, organizing a school sports day. That's a perfect example. You need critical thinking to plan the schedule, creativity for fun activities, collaboration to work as a team, and communication is to get everyone involved. So that's all.
Teacher Louie and I am going to introduce digital literacy versus digital literacy skills. Digital literacy skills are required in the wide web. These skills vary from text, images to multimedia. In 2017 actually identified 8 digital literacy skills to become digitally literate. First, we have coding. Coding is actually a universal language for computer literates. In a computer class, students learn basic HTML and CSS to create a simple website for their group project. We have collaboration. The use of Google Docs helps students experiment to find new ways in experimenting effective collaboration. Next, we have cloud software. This is an essential part of document management. The skills is also just like in a science class. For example, using the app Google Drive, where they store files, create folders, upload files, and share access with peers. The next skill, we have word processing software. Microsoft and Dropbox are available for storage and management solutions. For the next skill, we have screencast. Screencast is actually a video recording, including audio, where you can present it in the computer. All of this skill is in a math class. For example, students use screencasting to explain complex ideas. The next skill is we have personal archiving. Students should be taught the concept of metadata for them to be able to be aware on how they are being represented online. The next skill is information evaluation. Critical thinking weed out fake news in crucial 21st century generation. And for our last skill, we have use of social media. Social media serves different purposes depending on the user. An example of these skills is when students use Twitter or X to stay updated in the current news.